In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage the undeposited funds in QuickBooks Online. This important process helps ensure that your financial records are up to date and accurate, allowing you to keep track of your payments more efficiently. Let's walk through each step together so you feel confident handling your undeposited funds. First, we need to log in to QuickBooks Online. Open your preferred web browser. Chrome works perfectly for this. Once your browser is open, navigate to QuickBooks at intuit.com. When you're there, you'll see the option to sign in. Use your account details to access QuickBooks Online, making sure that you're logging in with the account associated with your business to maintain an uninterrupted workflow. Once logged in, we need to access the chart of accounts. Head over to the top right corner of the page where you'll notice the gear icon. This icon holds many important settings and shortcuts within QuickBooks Online. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu. Under the section called Your Company, look for the option labeled Chart of Accounts. Selecting this will take you to the comprehensive list of all the accounts you've maintained in QuickBooks, each representing different aspects of your finances. Among these accounts, our focus today is on the undeposited funds account. It's typically found under the category labeled Other Current Assets. The undeposited funds account acts as a temporary holding spot for funds received but not yet deposited into a bank, making it an integral part of maintaining accurate accounting records. You might find it helpful to use the search bar within the chart of accounts to locate it quickly and efficiently. Once you've located the account, it's time to view the account register. Either click on View Register or directly on the account name itself. Doing so will open a detailed transaction list specific to your undeposited funds. This list presents all the payments you've received and are yet to deposit into your bank account. It provides a clear view of what funds are in limbo, helping you plan for your upcoming deposits. Now, it's time to review and manage these transactions. Here, you have the ability to examine each payment individually. You can choose to edit any details that may need correcting or arrange these payments to be deposited into your bank. Selecting multiple payments that you intend to combine into a single bank deposit can help streamline your financial processes. By doing this regular review, you ensure that your records in QuickBooks Online mirror your real-world bank transactions accurately. And there you have it. A straightforward process to manage your undeposited funds in QuickBooks Online. Remember, staying on top of these transactions regularly will not only safeguard your account's accuracy, but also give you more assurance in your financial management practices. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.